Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to continue with our banking app. So far, we have done account creation, we have done a deposit, we have done a withdrawal, and in this video, we are going to do balance query or balance inquiry. So, inside my service class, I am going to create a method for getting the customer balance. So we are going to get the customer balance by account number. So in this case, this method will return the customer balance. So it will return a double. So I will say public double get account balance, and here I will pass account number. So I will pass account account number, or basically what I will do, I will see this account request. So a balance request. So I will come and then say new Java class, say balance request. So this balance request will have an integer, private int account number. So then I will have to add at setter, at getter, at all arguments constructor, and at no args constructor. So basically inside my transaction service get account, I pass the balance request. So the very first thing I am going to do is optional account existing account is equals to account repository dot find by account number. So I will pass balance request dot get account number. So I want to check if this account exists, because I think there is a code here, because if the account does not exist, we should not be able to check the balance. Account number does not exist. Please confirm account number and try again. So account number does not exist. If account number exists, we are going to return the balance. So that means that we are going to return existing account dot get balance. So we return that double. Now let me call this method inside our transaction, inside our accounts. But now let us go to our transaction. This one will be a post mapping transactions slash balance. So I recall this balance query. So this one will take a balance request as the payload, balance request. So dot transaction service dot get account balance request. So this way this will also be double. So I think we are done with balance. Let us run this code. So I will go to the postman collection. I will duplicate this request, and then transactions slash balance. This is the body. What we need in the body is just account number, just like that. Beautify. The method is post. So if the code execute, we should be able to get the account balance for a given account. Account balance for a given account. Account balance for a given account. Now. I think Tomcat started on port 880, started banking application. So let me check the balance for this particular account. So the balance for this particular account is 6,500. So this should be pretty 6,500. 6,500. So I think one more way we can create a balance response to display our balance in a good way. So I will say balance response. So I will say private double balance, so that inside my accounting service or transaction service, instead of double, can say balance response. I want to format response into a beautifully looking JSON. Beautifully looking JSON. So here I will say balance response is equals to new balance response. So I will say balance response dot set balance response dot set. Does this balance response has at getter and setters? No. At getter, at setter, at all args constructor, at no args constructor. So dot set balance. So I will say existing account dot get balance, and then return balance response. So one more problem, I will go to my controller and change this to balance response. So having done that, I think now basically it's good to format your code, to format your response in JSON format. So I like JSON. That is why I have transformed my response to JSON instead of just a double, which looks like some text. So next time I will integrate Spring DevTools, so that this back and forth of reloading and restarting an application, I don't want this back and forth. So now if you execute this query, it will return some nice formatted JSON. This is 6,500. What about for account that does not exist, like 105? Response code, customer message. So you see, at least there is uniformity. Response that is JSON across all. So that is all for this video for balance enquiry. Thank you so much for following up. In the next upcoming video, I will show you how to check the account status. In this case, you are not supposed to do any transaction if your account status is not active. I will show you how to handle that in the next video.